Hey everyone, welcome back to the garden. Have you ever wanted to grow your own tomatoes, but thought you didn't have the space or that it was just too much work? Well, today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite method for growing tons of amazing tomatoes right in your backyard using nothing but recycled bags. It's so easy, you'll be shocked. Part 1, the setup. First things first, we need our pots. I love using these big recycled bags. You know, the kind rice or animal feed comes in. They're tough, they're free, and they're perfect for this. Just make sure to poke a few small holes in the bottom for drainage so your plants don't get soggy feet. Now, go ahead and fill your bags up with some good, rich soil. The better the soil, the happier your plants will be. Part 2, the easiest way to plant. Okay, this is my favorite part, and it might seem a little crazy, but trust me, we're not using tiny seeds. We're using the tomato itself. Just grab a nice, ripe tomato from the store and slice it into thick rounds, like this. Then, simply lay them directly on top of the soil. Each slice has dozens of seeds, so you'll get plenty of little sprouts. For a little secret boost, I like to cut up some banana pieces and add them around the tomato slices. Bananas are full of potassium, which is like a superfood for tomatoes. Now, just cover everything with a light layer of soil and give it a good, gentle watering. And that's it. We wait. Part 3, from tiny sprouts to big plants. Look at this. In just about 2 weeks, our little slices have turned into a whole forest of baby tomato plants. Isn't that amazing? Now, we need to give them some space to grow. Gently, and I mean gently, separate each seedling, making sure to keep its little roots intact. Now, we'll plant each one into its own big grow bag. Dig a small hole, place your little plant inside, and cover it up. Simple as that. Just give it a little water, and you've got your very own tomato farm in the making. Part 4, the growing journey. After a month or so, your plants are going to start getting tall and a little wobbly. They need some support. So, I just use some simple bamboo stakes to create a little trellis. This helps them stand up straight and keeps all those future tomatoes from weighing them down. By now, your plants should be getting their first little flowers. That's a great sign. To make sure they're super healthy, I like to use a couple of homemade fertilizers. Just crush up some eggshells and sprinkle them around the base of the plant. The calcium is amazing for preventing problems later on. And if you have any leftover banana peels or pieces, you can bury those too. Your plants will love you for it. Part 5, harvest time. And here we are, the moment we've all been waiting for. Look at this. It's been about 80 days since we planted those tomato slices. And look at the result. Big, beautiful, juicy tomatoes. Right here in these simple bags. They're so much better than anything you'll find at the store. Just think about it. You started with one tomato, and now you have a whole basket full of them. All it took was a little patience and a few recycled bags. So, what are you waiting for? Go give it a try. You won't regret it.